Okay, we're going to take a look at three batteries here. Okay, on the left is a Sony Handycam battery NP FV 100. In the middle is the NP FV 50. And on the right is the Wasabi NP FV 100 replacement battery. Okay, let's take a look at the Sony. You can see that there's a circuit board, a very small circuit board, okay, with all the surface mounted components. And the NP FV, okay, also has a similar looking circuit board, okay, and actually there are two cells inside, okay, cylindrical cells. And the Wasabi, okay, it's over here. Okay, the circuit board is much larger, and the components are much larger also. Okay. And let's take a look at the cells inside. Okay, you can see that there are 4 cells. Okay, they're much smaller than the housing here. And to increase the weight of the battery, they put 2 pieces of metal here, one over here and one over here. Okay, we thought the metal actually is quite light, so this is what you pay for, okay, for cheap replacement batteries. Okay, the battery plus some metal inside. Okay, I haven't been able to take out the cells from the original battery from Sony, but it's much heavier than the Wasabi. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.